Okay, so let us start our week 5. So our week 5 is from page 20 to page 23. So yung week 5 po natin, it composes of 5 lessons. So let us go first with the definition of rational numbers or rational numbers. So when we say rational number, from the word ratio means quotient. So meaning, meron na siyang number na makikita sa taas and meron din siyang number na makikita sa baba. Or, in other words, we called it as fraction. So, let us use this number line. So, as you can see, sa number line natin, it composes of different numbers. Merong negative numbers and meron ding positive numbers. Meron ding zero. So, ang tawag po sa mga numbers na makikita natin sa ating number line ay integers. Okay? So, lahat po ng numbers na nasa number line ay integers. And as you can see then, our number line has arrow dun sa both ends. So, meaning, pwede siyang mag-extend. Hindi lang siya limited sa negative 5 dito sa ating left side and positive 5 dito sa right side natin. So, pwede siyang mag-continuous. So, again, the numbers from 0 to right, those are the positive numbers. While, yung mga numbers from 0 to left, ang tawag po natin doon ay negative numbers. So, yan ay kadalasang tinatawag ding counting numbers. Kasi kapag nagbibilang tayo, we use counting numbers and whole numbers. Okay, so, what if there are numbers like 4 over 5, 3 over 8, and negative 7 over 12? Ano kaya yung tawag natin sa kanila? So, very good. So, those are an example of rational numbers. Paano ba natin makikilala or what is the characteristic of rational numbers? Ano yung dapat i-consider natin para malaman natin na ang given ay isang rational numbers or ang number ay isang rational number? So, let us use this general form. So, A over B. So, gamit muna tayo ng letters para i-illustrate natin si rational numbers at para maipakita natin yung kanyang characteristic at makilala pa natin siya. So, our A ay yung tinatawag niya numerator. And yung letter B, that is our denominator. And another thing na dapat natin maintindihan or i-remind natin yung sarili natin, A and B must be integers. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging rational kung ang A natin, which is our numerator, and yung B natin, which is our denominator, ay hindi integers. So, ano nga ulit yung integers? Yes. So, those are numbers na makikita natin sa number line. Another thing, dapat our B or our denominator must not be equal to 0. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging 0. Bakit kaya hindi pwede? So, for example, we have 4 over 0. So, in that example, 4 is our numerator and 0 is our denominator. So, if we're going to find the quotient of 4 over 0, it will become 4 divided by 0 is equal to undefined. Or if we're going to use calculators, the result will become error or no value. So, mawawalan siya ng value. Yun yung reason kung bakit hindi pwedeng maging 0 ang ating denominator. Okay, so let us proceed about this lesson. Paano natin i-express or how can we convert fraction to decimal? Mula sa fraction, gagawin natin siyang decimal. And another thing, paano natin gagawing fraction yung decimal naman? So, vice versa. Fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. Okay, so how to express fraction to decimal? Let us have an example. Express 4/5 in decimal form. Yung given na 4/5, that is an example of fraction. Bakit siya naging fraction? Kasi it composes of two numbers. Merong upper part, meron ding lower part. Yung upper number, ang tawag po natin doon ay, okay, so that is the numerator. And yung number sa lower part, that is our denominator. So, ang gagawin natin, we are asked to make it or to convert it into decimal form. So, paano ba natin gagawin yon? So, simply divide 4 to 5. So, 4 divided by 5. So, since hindi enough si 4 para makakuha tayo ng 5, kailangan nating mag-add ng 0. So, sa pag-add ng 0, don't forget to put the decimal point. So, kailangan natin ng decimal point. So, dahil naglagay tayo ng decimal point sa loob or dun sa 4, dun sa taas, katapat niya, dapat meron din dong decimal point. So, palaging ganun yung sistema. Every time na mag-a-add tayo ng 0, dahil hindi enough yung number na nasa loob, once na naglagay ka ng decimal point, same din yon dun sa nasa taas, katapat lang niya. So, dahil nag-add na nga tayo ng 0, magiging 40 divided by 5. So, how many 5 are there in 40? Okay, very good. So, that is 8. So, yung 8, ilalagay mo na siya after ng decimal point. So, 40 divided by 5 is equivalent to 8. So, therefore, 4/5 is equal to 0.8. Ma'am, bakit may 0 sa unahan ng decimal point? Since wala namang number and wala namang value si 0, pwede natin ilagay yung 0. So, it will become 0.8. Pero pagka merong number, no need na to put 0 bago yung decimal point. Okay? How about expressing decimal to fraction? So, paano natin gagawing fraction yung decimal naman? So, this time, let us have 0.8 and we need to express this into fraction. I-express natin siya into fraction. So, yung pag-convert or pag-express ng decimal to fraction, kailangan muna nating magkaroon ng foundation or ng introduction about the decimal places kasi importante siya sa lesson na to. So, let us have first the place value decimal. Ano nga ba yung mga place value? Balikan lang natin. Let us have a review. So, for example, I have 973.526. Okay, so ano ba yung place value ng bawat number na yan? So, yung first, that is 9, 7, and 3, or which is 973. Ang tawag po sa kanila ay whole numbers. Okay, so lahat ng numbers na nasa kaliwa, ang tawag doon ay whole numbers. 9 is the hundreds, 7 is the tens, and 3 is the ones. So, kung magkakaroon pa ng number bago yung 9, ang tawag na doon ay 1,000. Okay? So, ganun lang yung ating pagbibigay ng place value sa whole numbers. How about yung numbers naman na nasa right side, which is 5, 2, and 6. So, ang tawag natin doon ay decimal places. Okay, so ano nga ba ang tawag sa bawat number? Or ano yung tawag sa place value ng bawat number? So, yung 5 natin, dahil siya yung malapit sa decimal point, ang tawag doon ay tenths. Then, next number, hundreds. And yung pang third number, which is 6, ang tawag doon ay thousands. Okay, so meron na siyang TH. So, bakit po importante na ma-review natin yung about sa place value? Kasi, sa pag-convert ng decimal to fraction, dapat alam mo yung mga place value ng bawat decimal. Kasi yun yung kailangan mong i-multiply mamaya. So, para magkaroon tayo ng mas malinaw kung paano natin gagamitin ito, balikan natin yung ating example. So, sabi sa example natin, express 0.8 in fraction form. So, we have 0.8. Every number, every whole number, meron po yan palaging denominator na 1. So, meaning, si 0.8 ay over 1. Okay? So, automatic yun. Fixed po yun. Hindi yun nagbabago. Okay? So, nilagyan ko siya ng denominator na 1. So, our numerator is 0.8 over the denominator, which is equivalent to 1. Now, tingnan natin yung place value ni 8. Okay? Ano ba yung place value ni 8? So, siya ba ay tenths, hundreds, or thousands? Okay, so since yung 8 ay katabi ng decimal point, or siya yung pinakamalapit, same ng 5 dun sa ating place value chart, siya po ay tenths. So, dahil tenths siya, i-multiply natin yung numerator natin and our denominator by 10, kasi tenths. Okay, yun po yung kahalagahan kung bakit kailangan nating i-review yung place value of decimals. Okay, so if we're going to multiply 0.8 times 10, that is equivalent to 8, and 1 times 10 is equivalent to 10. So, ang result niya ay 8 over 10. Pwede pa kaya natin siyang i-express into lowest term? Okay. So, kapag possible or kapag pwede pa, need nating ibigay or hanapin si lowest term. Paano tayo magko-convert naman or paano natin magagawa yung lowest term? Isip tayo ng number na pwedeng i-divide kay 8 at saka kay 10. Ano kaya yung number na pwedeng i-divide kay 8 at the same time pwede din siyang i-divide by 10? Okay? So, very good. That is 2. Okay, so if we're going to divide 2, so 8 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. Kailangan po palaging pareho yung number. Okay, sa paggawa ng lowest term, dapat po pareho yung number na i-divide sa ating result. So it will become 4 and 5. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4 and 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So, our final answer is 4 over 5. Okay, so from 0.8, that is equal to 4 over 5. Another example. Express 0.36 in fraction form. So, let us have 0.36. Again, every whole number, meron po yung denominator na 1. So, let us put 1 for our denominator. And okay, balikan muna natin. Yung ating decimal places ay dalawa na. So, 0.36 na siya or 0.36. So, since dalawa na sila, titingnan mo palagi yung dulong number. Ano na ba yung kanyang place value? Okay? So, as you can see, balikan natin yung ating place value chart. Kapag dalawa na yung number after the decimal point, ang tawag na doon ay hundreds. Okay? Kaya, ang i-multiply na natin ay hindi na tenths, kundi hundreds na. Kasi hundreds na yung kanyang place value. So, 0.36 times 100 and 1 times 100. So, that is equal to 36 and 100. So, the result is 36 over 100. Again, ibigay natin yung lowest term. Ano kaya yung number na pwedeng i-divide both kay 36 at saka kay 100? Okay, very good. So, that is 4. Okay, so 36 divided by 4, that is 9. And 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So, the final answer is 9 over 25. Okay, so thank you po sa lahat.